historic day at the Supreme Court as they hear a landmark election case seeking to kick former President Trump off the ballot. It's a first of its kind hearing.
And Trump's eligibility to be on that ballot has been called into question based on the 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution.
That says public officials who have engaged in an insurrection are disqualified from ever serving again. The case centers on the Colorado ballot, and the outcome could impact the presidential election nationwide. An unprecedented high-stakes case before the U.S. Supreme Court. Justices hearing arguments over whether Donald Trump is permitted on the ballot in Colorado. Central to this case, Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which bars from office any officer of the United States who swore an oath to the Constitution if they engaged in insurrection.
There's a reason Section 3 has been dormant for 150 years, and it's because we haven't seen anything like January 6th since Reconstruction. Insurrection against the Constitution is something extraordinary.
Colorado's highest state Supreme Court barred Trump from its ballot after 6 Colorado voters filed suit pointing Trump's alleged role in the deadly January 6th Capitol riot. But Trump's lawyers argue the president was not an officer of the nation, but elected and has yet to be criminally charged with or convicted of inciting an insurrection. Some outstanding questions justices are considering include, does the insurrection clause apply to Trump? And who defines an insurrection? Is it Congress or the state?
Insurrection is a broad term, and if there's some debate about it, I suppose that will go into the decision, and then eventually what we would be deciding whether there was an insurrection when one president did something as opposed to when somebody else did something else. And what do? Do we wait until near the time of counting the ballots and sort of go through which states are valid and which states aren't?
The case could have major ramifications for the other ongoing legal challenges, like with Maine, which also declared Trump ineligible from appearing on its ballot. Colorado's primary is on March 5th, so it's likely we will see a decision within the next few weeks. And be sure to look for live reports from our D.C. Bureau Chief Ben Kennedy later today on the Supreme Court hearing that's happening right now.